You know that house I bought without your permission? That was an absolute disaster. I just wanted to tell you you were right.
I know I was right.
We should tear it down, and now I have to tear it down.
That's what should happen.
All right, have a good day. I love you.
Bye.
Bye. Today's video, my wife was right. I was wrong. I'm man enough to admit it. We need to tear this house down. I didn't want to. I didn't want to give in, but the house is a disaster. I lost. The house won. We got to get rid of it. So in today's video, we're tearing a house down. We're putting up a new slab, and we're going to build a new house all in one video. This was a disaster that has cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars, but we're going to make the best out of it. Let's get going. Okay, so if you haven't been following along, let me explain briefly what is going on. My name is Craig from Flying Wheels. I own a car dealership. I buy, clean, fix, and sell things for a profit. Well, I decided to dabble in the real estate market, and I made a gigantic mistake. Big, I mean huge.
Big mistake. Big, huge.
I bought a house at auction, bank-owned house, a year and 3 months ago. I bought it sight unseen because I couldn't go in it because people were living in there. I had to evict them. It was way worse than I thought. The house was a disaster. I refused to give in and admit that it had to be demolished. I wanted to rebuild it. I wanted to save some money. Well, fast forward to a year later, I can't save it. I cannot salvage this house. Today's video, we have to demo it. We have to tear it down completely, which is going to be kind of satisfying and possibly quite entertaining for you. After that, we're going to put in a new slab. I got approval from the town to go up a second story. So we're going to make this house 2 stories. So I'm going to have a brand new house on an existing slab in a neighborhood that's like medium. I don't know. It's nice, but it's walkable to the lake, and that's the reason I want it. It is now May. I started this process February of last year. I'm gonna rewind a little bit to our demo and then bring you up to date to where I'm at right now. Let's go over to the house. So I bought a house, and I surprised you guys with a house that is supposed to bring lots of family memories for us. The problem is, it wasn't quite what I was hoping. What is your opinion, on my surprise house that I spent our money on?
It's a disaster.
What do you guys think of our new house?
It smells.
It does smell pretty terrible. It's like, I think I can gut it. I can just make it look presentable, and then we have a nice vacation home.
I will never step foot in that house, ever.
Even-
I've seen too much, I've smelled too much. No, never.
My nose on my...
So today I bought this house, and it's in really rough shape, far worse than I ever thought. Well, today is a really exciting day because it's getting demoed. After a year of jumping through hoops, getting permits, deciding what I was gonna do, this house is now getting torn down and ready for a new home. I'm gonna tear down this whole house in a matter of a few minutes. Let's get started. So that's it for today. The getaway is no more. There is nothing left but debris. Next step is we pour a nice big slab over the existing slab. We reinforce it, and construction starts on our new summer home. So that is how you turn a really bad into something positive. It was a lot of work, but there's always a solution to every problem, and I think we're finding it.
1 week later.
Coincidentally, we're near our house up north. Just happens to be vacation week, and we got a call from our town PD saying, Craig, we've cracked the case on your stolen grill. I didn't even know we had a stolen grill. I didn't even know our grill was stolen. But our town PD cracked the case and found not only our grill, but the thief as well. And they called me and said, we found your grill. The thief said they were borrowing it and had your permission. Not true.
Not true.
So we are right up the street from our house, and I knew last week when we demoed that house, the grill, our Weber grill, it was like $700 grill, was exposed. And I said, that grill isn't gonna make it a week. Fast forward to 1 week, I got a call from the PD. Our grill was stolen.
We don't know how they knew.
I don't even know how they knew it was stolen. And I don't even know how they found the thief. Was he walking down the road with the grill? He's gonna have a barbecue in February? I don't know. So we're on our street and we're gonna try to figure out the case of the stolen grill. Oh, you guys haven't even seen our house demoed yet.
No.
This is a first timer for you guys.
11 minutes later.
So I just left the PD. Thank you again, because they were awesome. They're so friendly. Every time I've spoken to them, they're so friendly and helpful. Our neighbor, I guess, spotted a transient trying to steal the grill, but it was frozen in the ground. So instead of stealing the grill, they stole the propane tank.
Ooh, they
Wow, they framed it for concrete.
well, there's our grill.
There's our grill. Our grill is there.
Look at, they put it behind the
Behind the dirt pile. We can't even park in our yard because our neighbor's been using it for snowmobile and car parking. Look at that though, it's framed, ready for concrete. That's exciting. So here we go. Our recovered theft grill is still there. And then this is the frame for our home, which really looks tiny.
It's pretty
This
small.
looks
Dad.
tiny, yeah.
Can I have my gaming room?
You can walk on it if you want,
Dad, can I have my room?
even though you have no snow boots.
Dad.
It looks tiny, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's tiny.
But it goes up. It'll be tall. It's a grower, not a shower, just like its owner. All right, we got concrete. It's concrete day. And look it. We're framed. We're ready. But it's freaking freezing out. So I'm a little bit terrified that we're doing the right or wrong thing. I don't really know. We're not pouring a foundation because it's just not really possible in this. Yes, it's long and it's deep, but it's town water and sewer and it's already plumbed. And honestly, I own this place for way too much money already. So we're pouring a 7-inch slab over the existing slab. So the slab is literally gonna be this high, and then the house and framing is gonna be built on top of that. So we're gonna have a pretty gigantic slab, which is good. It'll keep the water from coming in. Again, it's gonna be 7 inches higher off the ground. What makes me nervous though is it's still winter and it's really cold. It's like 30 degrees out right now. They had to put special mix so the water doesn't freeze in the concrete before the concrete hardens. So, and then they put the blankets over it, so they're gonna lay it out and smooth it, flatten everything, get a nice finish, and then lay blankets over it to dry. And they said the chemicals they poured in it help it to dry quicker instead of the water freezing in it, because obviously cement's made with water. It's been about an hour since they poured it, and they can already walk on it. Huge news, we're finally making some progress on the lake house mistake. I bought it a year ago. Fast forward 12 months, you'll see there is no more house. What comes next? Well, today we poured 10 inches of concrete for a concrete slab for a 2-level house to be built on. Next week, the framing starts, and it should be weather tight in like 2 more weeks. It's not even spring yet. By spring, I should have a new house.
My heart's pounding.
There it is.
I like it. I like the color.
Hey neighbor, how you doing? Pretty good. Go ahead.
Oh,
they're setting up the electricity already. Wow. They put the shower in.
They did.
Oh, look at this view.
Now, whose room is this?
This is the kids' room, like to just play. Hey everyone, thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to watch more of this Lake House clip, you can click the box with the Lake House playlist. If you click the circle, that is to subscribe to our channel. And please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button to like this video down below. Thanks for watching.